let's see if we can find our cat. Hopefully he's still on Mom's lap. Oh, here we are. We got her. Hi, baby. Hi, Mama. Are you enjoying your new friend, Mom? Yeah, look at our beautiful kitty. Yeah, look at her. Or him. You're so beautiful. Yeah, I see you are. Hey. Did you love you? Yeah, look at him. Such a good boy. Yeah. Beautiful green eyes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he opened his mouth. Maybe because he saw the camera, I don't know. Or maybe... Yeah. He's such a good boy. He's been really good, though. I think it wasn't... he didn't open his mouth in a mean way. It was like a meow. He doesn't meow. But we'll have to cut this video for now. Okay, Mom. We're going to have some dinner in a little bit. I love you, Mama. I love you too, David. Bye-bye. Tell David you love it. Okay, we restarted the video a little bit. Yeah, she's so cute. Look at her. It's hard to see her eyes, but she's very, or he. Beautiful green eyes. The way the light is, yeah, he's got very beautiful eyes. They're very beautiful. Yeah, Mom's very happy with him. And look at him. He's very relaxed, sitting on her lap. After that little incident, when he came up to me, he went back to her and sat back down. And yeah, that's a little better. Well, I bumped a button on this video, so it's probably not going to come out too great, Elma. I touched something, but anyways, there's your first look at the pretty cat. And
these markets are great not only to sell things, but maybe for someone who wants a store to see your
and you're beautiful too, Mama.
Come see your work and
yes.
feature you. Yeah, it's just a good way to
more
get your
important
name
for
out
the
there.
cat. No, you're more important, Mama. We love you. Good night, Mama.
It's a good
yes,
place to find items that may suit someone on your holiday gift list.
We have 3 different silhouettes. We have a 2-inch tie, a half-inch tie, and a 3-inch tie.
They're happy together.
We like to play around with materials,
right.
so we do
Bye-bye.
leather, denim, wool.